Macaw couples bond for life and may stick together for over 40 years. Pairs return to favourite trees, ones they've known for decades. Parents provide their chicks with fruits and seeds. But they're far from the ocean and their diet lacks salt. Without it, the chick's brains and bones will not develop properly. So someone has to go and fetch it. Many other creatures are looking for the same thing. A clay lick. The earth here may be 40 times richer in valuable minerals than anywhere else in the surrounding forest. Over a dozen species of parrot jostle for space. There's a strict order in who feeds first. Everyone is in a rush to fill up and get airborne. Parents have to carry over 5 kilograms of clay to the nest before their chicks are ready to leave. Once fledged, these young will follow their parents for up to a year, learning where to find the salts.